Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Safe, Helly?
She's fine, but you guys won't ever believe what she's doing down there right now.
¿Qué les pasa? ¿Se dan por vencidos? ¡Ah! ¡Tras él! ¡Ah!
Mater, let's go! You're on!
Stop right there! Correcto, correcto. Hay que ir recto. Ya oí suficiente. ¡Y fuera!
Good idea. Huh? Jin, what's going on? Okay.
Welcome to the chick era, baby.
Piston Cup?
It's mine, dude. Yeah.
Yes, soldier. Come on by Sergeant Surplus Hut for all your government surplus needs.
Oh, honey, surplus.
We have
Everyone. Okay, let's go.
That was the deal. You are not a nice guy. Well, seriously, I gotta say, you do make a quality.
Rookie has won the Piston Cup.
We have a 3.
The Rastafarian has the Tormentor in his signature dreadlock! Me be jamming now, man!
I wish that one of my friends would come to help me.
Dus als jullie naar huis rijden, kijk dan goed uit. Het spooklicht.
My friend Guido, he dreamed to give a real race car a pit stop.
Pit stop?
Don't worry, Mama. The queen is very sad. I will.
It's the least I can do.
Whatever happens, you're a winner to me, you old daddy rabbit.
Thanks, dear.
I really didn't have a choice. Mater didn't get to say goodbye.
Goodbye! Okay.
Okay, I didn't want to have to do this, Doc, but you leave me no choice. Fellow citizens, you're...
The Queen and Sally, part beneath the cake. K-I-S-S.
Unknown rider, you have entered restricted airspace. Why haven't you responded to radio contact?
Put McQueen in there. Give you some real competition.
I sold them.
To who?
No idea. He's my best customer, but he always does his business over the...
The paint's out, man.
Ramon will paint you up right.
Hey, anything you want.
You know, like the flames.
If you're worried about your fuel, man, don't. It's perfectly safe.
No, guys, I just...
Goedemorgen, racewagen. Morgen, takelwagen. Goedemorgen, Stanley.
The Rusty Tails down here. I created a drink in your honor.
Yeah, the Rusty's medicated bumper